Welcome to second lesson of Module 3 Task Automation Fundamentals. In this lesson, we will explore the fundamentals of task automation. We will also look at how it can support effective time management. Automation is not about replacing people, but about reducing repetitive work that consumes time. By the end of this session, you will be able to identify tasks that can be automated. You will also be able to apply basic automation principles and measure the time you recover through smarter systems. Let's start by understanding task automation. Task automation involves using tools or systems to perform routine actions with minimal manual effort. These are usually tasks that are repetitive, rules-based, and predictable in nature. When automated thoughtfully, these tasks can run in the background while you focus on higher-value work. Common examples include scheduling reminders, organizing files, and sending routine emails. Even small automations, when repeated daily, can result in significant time savings over time. Let's start identifying automation opportunities. The first step in automation is recognizing which parts of your workflow drain time unnecessarily. Look for tasks you perform repeatedly each day or week using the same steps. These tasks often feel simple but quietly consume large amounts of time when added together. Good candidates for automation are tasks that do not require constant judgment or creative decision-making. If a task follows clear rules and produces predictable outcomes, it may be suitable for automation. Automation works best when applied to routine work, not to complex thinking or interpersonal activities. Now let's apply basic automation principles. Automating tasks, start with the simplest processes rather than full workflows. Automating a single step successfully is often more effective than attempting a large system all at once. The goal is to reduce manual intervention, not to create complicated or fragile processes. Always test automations on a small scale before relying on them fully. Ensure that the automated task produces consistent and accurate results. Well-designed automation should save time without introducing new errors or confusion. Let's discuss measuring time savings from automation. To understand the value of automation, you need to measure its impact. Begin by estimating how much time a task takes when done manually. Then compare that with the time required once automation is in place. Even saving a few minutes per task can add up over days and weeks. Tracking these savings helps you see the real benefit of automation. It also helps you decide where further automation might be worthwhile. To conclude, task automation is a practical strategy for freeing up time and reducing routine workload. By identifying suitable tasks, applying simple automation principles, and measuring results, you can work more efficiently. When used thoughtfully, automation allows you to spend less time on repetitive actions and more time on meaningful work. It increases productivity by allowing focus on high-value tasks. It also improves consistency and accuracy in routine processes. In the next lesson, we will explore AI-powered time management for individuals. Stay connected with us. Thank you.